Hello, welcome back. I forgot where we left off, but I think we unlocked something new. Yeah, maybe. I don't remember. Uh, Jungle Knight. I swear we already did Jungle Knight. Ooh, there's a different path I could take. You're seeing that too, right? Uh, what was the thing? They said there was something else. I swear they said there was something else. Lab. Did you say something else? Your space, Photodex. I don't remember. We're gonna just do the night, I guess, Jungle Night. I want to see if I can actually go that different path. Can I actually go that different path or not? I don't know, we'll see. Internet rankings, you can do that? That's dopers. I'm probably gonna be terrible at that. But it's okay. Careful out there, thank you. On sweet. That was a good one. Hey buddy. Nah, that one wasn't as good. Charbok. Oh yeah, you said to like see if he falls out of the tree, right? There it is. He fell out of the tree. He fell out of the tree. I didn't get the picture, but he fell out of the tree, so it doesn't matter. No, just kidding. Can I like go the other way though? That's the thing. Hey Marlo, how you doing? Is there like a different path I can take? How you guys doing? That was cute. I like that. That was nice. Ariados. Can I go a different way? I want to go this way. Can I go this way? Can I like go this way? Oh damn, there's a lot. Hey boy, this way, this way. I want to go this way, please. Oh, I am going this way. Perfect. Hello, sir. How you doing? You guys are cute. Oh, I was wondering why my thing wasn't in the middle. Let's see. Anything over this side? Nope. Oh, there's something flying above. Damn it. I missed it. It's okay. We'll just come over here. That wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. I missed. Damn it. It's fine. That was a good one. I did terribly this time. Damn it, I need to be prepared for these. I'm so bad at this. It's fine. I don't think I got any improvements this time. Let's see. Anything behind? Nope. Okay, let's see here. Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? Gotcha. How you doing? Why did they... He curled up last time. Why did he do that? Hello, sir. How you doing? Ooh, what is that? Hey, how you doing, Quagsire? How you doing? That was a good one. Okay, what's that thing, though? It's like a question mark over there. Anyways. I guess we'll see if it says anything about it. I don't think it will, but it's worth a shot. Okay, I think we're done. How you guys doing? Okay. Ooh, cool. Sorry, I'm really boring right now, I bet. Oh man, done already? Yeah. I know, I'm awesome. You want to see more? I know. No, just kidding. Anyways, yes, 7 Pokemon. Lovely. I didn't get the picture of the Arbok falling out of the tree though. Sad day. Arbok. Oh, he did fall. I did get it. Haha. Does that count? Please tell me that counts. I like this one the best. Ariados. That one's a good one. I like that one. Yanmega. Hey, what is this? Is that really Yanmega? I don't know. I guess it's not really a good one. Oh, that was Magikarp? I wasn't even trying for Magikarp. That wasn't a good one either. Quagsire. Okay, all done. I wasn't trying to get Yanmega in that. I was trying to get the freaking thing, but okay. I'm not gonna do better. Yeah, nah. That one. Okay, this is a 4-star because he fell out, right? Request complete. Hooray. It was a terrible one, but I still got it complete, so I don't really care. Yeah, nah. Maybe? Hey, this one's slightly better. 19 better. That was terrible. I was trying to get the waterfall, but okay. I still got 3,000 for that. He was completely out of everything. I did terribly on this one. This one, obviously. And then this one... Oh, really? I got a new record on that one? Damn, nice. Okay, coolness. This one's better. Okay. Coolness. Thank you. Level 2. Level 2. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Level 2. Let's go. Level up. Another step forward in our research. By the way, thanks to the progress you've made, I've got something to report. I'll fill you in on the photos you squared away. I think you'll be pleased to hear this. Hell yeah. Run it. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Yeah? Okay, let's see what I get. Come on, mate. What do you got for me? Ooh.
All right, on to the next site. Now then.
We've got new islands to explore now. Hell yeah. I've pinpointed 2 teleportation points we can use. Ooh, where? One is a long, narrow island, and another is offshore in the middle of the water. Ooh, I like that middle of the water. See, the volcano would be cool, but I kind of want to go underwater. This is going to be amazing. I'll let you decide what order you want to visit them in. Keep up the good work. I want the water, please. Thank you. Okay, water level. Hey Todd, how you doing? How's it going? Enjoying your research, Jones? Listen, I've got to tell you something. There's a feature I originally forgot to suggest to the professor, but I got him to add it to your research camera. What kind of feature? It's a melody player. It lets your camera play a little tune. Little music can prompt Pokemon to show you a whole new sides of themselves. I know, they can dance and stuff. That'd be dope. Sounds awesome. Rita, could you fill in the details? Sure thing. If you press R, a melody will play. While it's playing, you can press R again to make it stop. Little music could wake up sleeping Pokemon, or make some Pokemon get up and dance. I knew it! Haven't had a chance to try it though, so I'm not an expert yet. I'm no expert yet. So next, let's give it a whirl. Coolness. R, you said. Got it. Okay, now we are new area unlocked. I want water. See, I'm a fire guy, but I kind of want like under. If are you going? Oh, you're going beach. I thought you were actually gonna let me go underwater now, because I saw that in the trailer thing, and that was dope. But it looks cool though. I like the beach. Beach is nice. Yes, yes. Hit me, boy. Okay, executor. Executor, dance, dance, dance. Up, 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 up. Oh, Wingle. Damn, that was hard. Okay. Ooh, nice. Pikachu. Hey, buddy. How you doing? He's so cute. I love Pikachu. Yeah, that was a good one. I like that one. Perfect. That's what I was going for. Left. Oh! Got you. And... got the Crystal Bloom too. Oh yeah, you're supposed to wake up, aren't you? Wake up, please. Sorry. Okay, I think you woke up. Bye-bye. Okay, that was terrible, but... What is it saying? Right here? Where? Oh, right there. Ooh, Machamp. Oh. Come at me, bro. Come on. And something... Hey, Artillery, what's up, bro? Oh, Stunfisk. How you doing? No, I don't want to go back already. Man. Pikachu. Hey, buddy. Oh, that was terrible. I see something right there. Ooh. Hello, sir. Wakey, wakey. That's cute. Man, do I have to go back already? Turn around, little boy. Come on, mate. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. I have to go back. Sad day. Okay. I might have got some good pictures, but I'm not sure. I got some good pictures, I know that. 9 Pokemon. 35 though, damn. That's a lot. Crab Brawler. Do I like that one? I kind of like this one the best, not gonna lie. Executor. Why wasn't this a good one? He's eating, dude. He's literally eating. Whatever. Wingull. I kind of like this one the best. No, wait. I don't know. That one. Pikachu. I choose you. He's so cute. I love Pikachu. He's adorable. Artillery. That one's a good one. Crystal Bloom. Oh, these weren't good. What? Why not? How dare you? That one. Schnikes. The champ. Oh no, that one looks kind of the best, not gonna lie. That was terrible, but it's fine. Why are these not good? What? It looks fun. Oh, I didn't freaking... I don't think I had it for it, though. That's the thing. Okay, let's see here. What'd I get? Crab Brawler. Yes, yes. What do I get for it? I got silver. I'll take it. And Executor. What did I get? I'll take it. Gold. Yes. Wingull. Silver. I'll take it. I'm pretty sure the other Pikachu's better. Yep. Kind of figured. He looks freaking adorable in that one. Okay, this is a 3-star, right? Yes, sir. Got a silver. I'll take it. I'll take it. This one's a good one. This one's really good. I like this one. It's huge as well. Ooh, yes, it is good. It's a diamond. This one, obviously. I kind of figured that wouldn't be good. He was too far. Should've went the other side of the rock. It's fine. Silver. Nice. This one's a good one. That one's really good. I like that one. Silver. I'll take it. Sweet. Thank you. Did I level up? I don't think I leveled up. Oh, that was so close. Damn. Ooh, Presente. Ooh, fighting type. Private beach. All done. I think that's good for today. I know it's a short one, but I have stuff to do, sorry. Okay, I will see you guys. Wait, I kind of want to check these out real quick. Tonight's dinner. Does Morlo ever eat anything other than sap, like full fruit, for example? Oh, that's easy. Sudden movement. What is that? Pokemon. Murkrow. Best frenemies. I'm just gonna... Okay, this is too much. Bye-bye. See you guys in the next episode. Peace out.